Normal first and second heart sounds. Listen to the following example. Normal first and second sounds can be heard. Each pair of sounds, lub-dub, lub-dub, will begin with the first sound and end with the second. Listen to these sounds and keep in mind the systolic and diastolic periods in the cardiac cycle. Normally, the first sound is slightly lower in pitch in comparison with the second sound.